Hey guys, hello, welcome back to Unique Beauty. So as you can see, today's topic from the title, how to cook your cassava leaf simple way. Yeah, that's my palm oil, my red palm oil from Sierra Leone. It's available now to sell in the shop. And that's my cassava leaf that I also sell in the shop. Washed it first, then blend and add onions and chili to it. It just adds some really freshness when you cook it. It looks like it's a fresh cassava leaf you just get from the farm. It's really good when you do it that way. Wash it very well and then you add chili and onions and blend together. Yeah, that is the base. Some peanut butter and then dry fish, some seasoning boiling there now. I'm adding the palm oil. That palm oil is also available in the shop now to sell 1 liter, 2 liter. Yes, guys. So please come along. If you're living in the UK, Bolton, Manchester, not Manchester, you can come along and get your own. It's available. Yeah. Just comment if you want any direction. I'll give you direction to the shop. Yes, guys. So this is it. Some of us know already how to cook cassava leaf, so enjoy the video. If you want any further information, just comment below. I'm happy to get back to you. See you soon. I'm out. Okay, now I'm going to eat. I've washed my hands, right and left. This is the cassava leaf. Boo! To feed you.
Yes, can I have a meat?
You want meat?
Yes, only meat. Not any rice. Not any rice, only meat. Meat. I say meat.
It's meat in there. Oh, this cassava leaf is delicious. No spicy, no lot of salt.
Hot. It was hot.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Let me enjoy my cassava leaf now.